Alright guys, welcome back to a video. This is not another Girl Talk Real Talk because we have him with us, but
he could be a girl.
We're doing a Del Taco Mukbangs. We literally ordered everything off the menu. No, I'm just kidding. Everything off the dollar menu. Yeah, so... And we're just gonna entertain you. Cut mine off. I hate it when my straw's larger than life.
Than my lifespan.
These are mini shakes.
And they give us the largest straw in the world.
They need to have some mini straws. No, you have to leave that shopping. You like cut the straw completely off.
Please go.
Oh my gosh. Hey, love. Alright, so we got everything off the dollar menu at Del Taco. I don't even know what everything is yet.
This is like...
Ooh, this is my jumbo shrimp taco. Delish.
Caprell, you still give me a big straw.
There's these things called skizzers. No, you have to drink it like that.
Please have the straw. Caprell, please. It's wasteful.
Wait, is that one of the fat ones?
No.
Yes.
I didn't even, where did that blue one come from?
It came from like a fast food place. It was.
I was like, I don't have those ones. I got those ones and then the shake straws that are like fatter than your mom. Sorry, Mom. We love you. And you're not really fat. Caleb is. I'm just kidding. I thought you were about to pray. I was like,
No.
hi. So, these are our flatbreads, Caprell.
Oh, are those?
These are our, I don't know what you got, Caleb. We ordered this for us.
I thought we were
Is this
I'm just kidding.
Wait, I do want to try one of the fish tacos.
We didn't get a fish taco.
Oh, I thought that's what you got for me.
Del Taco's good, but Taco Bell has the best.
Taco Bell
So
has
here's the
best
Taco
sauce.
Bell sauce.
So
And then here's my yummy chipotle and jalapeno sauce.
So these tacos are so small, like street tacos, but they are so good. I absolutely love fish tacos and basically anything that comes from the sea
Same.
that swims.
I swim.
And then we kill it and eat it. But you don't come from the sea.
Yeah, I do. I'm a mermaid.
She's a merman. I'm just kidding.
Caleb's a well.
Oh my gosh. So this is like the first official mukbang that we're doing, and it's really interesting. It's really weird. I have watched them before and it always makes me want to eat. So if I can accomplish anything from this video, it's just to make you want to eat food.
Crap.
So basically, you're supposed to talk, but we're not because we're
The
fat.
food is so good that we don't want to talk to you anymore. So Caleb, I'll eat half of this if you want the other half because it's a shrimp one.
Oh, okay.
And it's really good actually. So, oh, there's the chili. I was like,
That's fine. Thank you.
where's the rest of the food?
Share that with people.
There's not enough here.
I know, that's what I was saying. I was like, there's not a lot, but it's fine.
So Caleb's gonna call in sick. It's stay longer.
For real.
I'm just kidding.
Good.
What's your work schedule?
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and Monday.
Oh, so one thing that I was gonna bring up in our next Girl Talk Real Talk is like how the times have changed so much. So like April was telling me about her boyfriend who has a phone from
The 50s.
the early 2000s.
No.
From the 50s. It was like a brick that FBI used. He has a flip phone and she's like, it's so weird how he has to text.
I think it's cool, but like at the same time, it would be confusing.
Because like obviously if you were born in the 90s and you had a cell phone when you're in high school, you know how it works. But you had to like push the button like however many times to get to that letter when you would text people. I remember doing it and I was like so fast, like shh. And it was like second nature. I didn't even have to look at my phone to know
I don't have to
what
look at my phone either.
went there.
It's easy.
Well, that's because you have it easy. So, anyways, and I was like, yeah, that's normal. I mean, like, back then, now it's not. You sell a phone like that, it's tragic, but except for I kind of want to go back to a flip phone one day.
Except it's kind of cool because then, like, there's not drama. I feel like because he doesn't have social media, there's, like, not drama between us. Not that there would be anyway.
That's why I say social media in general is lame. That's why Sundays, I'm like, phones are going up. We don't need it in our life.
They're going up
On a Sunday.
I don't even have any type of like social media. I deleted
I'm
Facebook.
not good. It's stupid.
All I have is Instagram. I don't have anything else.
Try that witchcraft. It's good.
I have Instagram.
Whoa, the witchcraft.
And you guys should all follow me. And if you don't, I'll kill your doges and eat them.
Your doges? She means your dogs.
Doges.
Oh, but another difference is, so whenever iPhones did come out, so like let's say like, trying to think like 5 years ago, you would turn off your read receipt thing so that if you wanted to ignore somebody, then you just would hide that so they didn't know you read their message. And that was the way of being a jerk. Nowadays, I've learned that it's like the thing to be like, oh, I'm going to leave you on read so that the person can see that you read it and they're ignoring you. I'm like, interesting.
Some people are dumb and they'll like leave you on red, but then they'll text back like if you don't respond, and they'll be like, "How do you feel being left on red?" I'm like, "It's not really left on red if you're gonna
say something about it." Yeah, I just think, oh man, the teenagers today is just different. I don't remember having so much drama, and it's because we didn't have all the social media they have today, and people don't know how to just be themselves anymore. Because they're hidden behind a phone posting.
I know how to be
all this
myself.
stuff.
Have you seen me?
She don't know what she doing. She don't even know what she's saying right now.
You're mental.
So what is this one called? This is
That's the flatbread steak
Yes,
taco. Except
but it's
that's
chicken.
not the one I got last time. Mine wasn't flatbread, I don't think.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my gosh, excuse you. Yeah, nasty. This is flatbread chicken taco. I'm pretty sure it's chicken. You could get steak if you wanted, but I wanted. You should try a roller. There's 12 of them here.
If you get the ranch one, you have to throw it back to me.
Throw it at him.
You know what? That's a good idea.
I don't even know what they put on this, but I'm scared. Tastes interesting.
Wait, there are different flavors?
Mm-hmm. One's like a queso. There's queso, chipotle, ranch, and original.
This is really good.
1.5 pounds. Okay, this is bean and cheese.
Oh, that's a half pounder. Excuse you. Excuse me. Half pounder is that, not this. I was like holding this up like this was it. This is really good. Oh my gosh. I really like this one. And it's a cheap taco. I mean, it wasn't on the $1 menu, but it wasn't on the $5 menu either.
I love the bean and cheese. My fave. Like one of my faves.
I love my
Okay.
mom.
No. I love my mom too.
So these are the roly-poly.
Basically, this is kind of spicy.
I want a bite of it.
No. Get your own food.
Bought it.
Oh, you can have it when it's down here.
Oh, when there's that much fun.
I just don't like eating after people, especially if it's stuff like this. Like after they.
Well, yeah, if you like to
Same.
eat it down there.
It's
just
If I
leave me
split
some
with somebody,
juice.
I have to finish what I want, and then I'll give the rest to them.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Unless it's
It's just
quick,
kinda grody.
because I make out with him, so it doesn't matter.
Well, I don't really like sharing food in general.
So this is one of the rollers.
or like drinks.
Alrighty.
But if it's someone I'm close with,
I'm not
then
sure which one it
whatever, I
is.
don't care.
Because the rollers, there's like a ranch one.
The
a queso,
only
chipotle,
people
and
that I
original.
will share drinks with and stuff is my husband and my son. And that's because my son is actually pretty freaking good at not drinking nasty. Like, when he drinks from a bottle, he doesn't put his whole mouth around the freaking bottle. He, like, sips it like a normal person. And so he doesn't, like, backwash the way, like, some little kids do.
do.
So-
Some not little kids do that, and it's grody.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like sharing after people, and I don't like my family sharing after people because I kiss my husband and I kiss my son. And we don't like to spread germs. We are anti-germ. So, just back off if you're sick. Oh, here's something that we could talk about. People that, like, bring their kids around when they're sick. And don't tell you until after they've exposed your kid and gotten your kid sick that they're like, oh yeah, my kid's sick. I'm like,
I
thanks.
hate it when people sneeze or cough or do anything and don't cover their mouth. Like, even, especially, I feel like, I don't know, I just want to cut their eyes off.
I don't think you can cut your eyes off. You can cut them out.
It's just so grody, because then everyone dies around you. Because the sneeze and stuff travels so far.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you don't cover your mouth, it's gross. My
And
little
then-
boy is still hasn't learned that. But he's little, so he doesn't gross me out unless he sneezes on my face. But
This little kid had my phone the other day and sneezed or something. Burrs all over my phone.
you
Was
can try that if you
disgusting.
want. It's really yummy. Somebody, wait, is this all trash? Looks like it.
This is one of the rollers. I think it's the ranch one or the
Wait,
original.
did you tear it?
Oh no, you can tear it, or you can eat it. I don't
Me
care.
is scared.
Don't eat it. He has braces. There might be food in there from days ago.
Oh,
I brushed my
grody.
teeth.
That's another thing. Like, braces sometimes, like, gross me out. Not that. I don't know.
Well, it's not something that you can help if you have braces, but yes, when I had braces, it grossed me out to have them.
I do not like braces.
Because food gets all stuck up in your face. And then you're like, hey. And they're like, is that a buffet?
I know when I eat at work, I have to rinse out my mouth because I'm dealing with people.
Oh, looks like you're smoking a pipe.
I am.
Talking about work, people. So,
Work people.
I work with Delta Airlines,
Good for you.
and I am a baggage person.
Mm-hmm.
Someone
He's a
who
baggage.
deals with the baggage and the plane and backs it all up and stuff. I just want to say, for those of you who pack heavy, quit. I will put you on the no-fly list, I swear.
Heavy.
I will find who you are, and you
What
will go
about
on
the
the
people that
no-fly
are
list.
heavy?
People who are heavy are not allowed to fly either.
Then get off the plane.
Oh my gosh.
It is good.
You look like
No,
really
but it's
dark.
like, we'll
I
get the
told- he's
smallest
tan.
bags
He's
in the
California,
world.
And we're in pastily.
We'll get a bag the size of Capro's purse, and it will
That's what I
weigh
said
500
before. I was like, he
pounds.
looks browner.
And then we'll get bags that are the size of this house, and they weigh nothing.
excuse me. I'm trying not to do that, but it comes out sometimes, and I can't. But
They're monsters. They're evil spirits escaping her body. I'm pretty sure. Oh, know what's awesome about Del Taco? So, like, if you've ever been to Taco Bell, on their dollar menu or like their kiddie menu or whatever, they have this, what is it called? Like the cheesy quesadilla or something. It's like $1 or $1.10. I don't know. I don't remember how much it is. But anyways, at Del Taco, they flippin' have a quesadilla that is a chicken quesadilla. And it's not all dry. And it's $1. But like, Ammon likes these. He does not like the ones from Taco Bell. But
I
my
like these
little
too.
boy loves these. And they look normal. And they're like soft. But you get them from Taco Bell and it's just cheese and they're hard. I feel like they brought it from overseas 3 years ago. And they used fake cheese.
What they did is they probably allowed it to cook too long.
Here, I'm going to give you a piece of this.
You want to try this one? This is the half pound.
I
Bean and
gave
cheese
that to
burrito.
you.
Nah, I'll be.
I was asking Malia.
Oh, I was like, I gave that to
Here,
you.
Caleb.
It tastes like a chicken soft taco.
I just love Del Taco's chicken so much better than like Taco Bell.
Mm.
And Taco Time is not my favorite either. I mean, like if I was starving and, you know, stranded on an island, I might eat their food.
I heard Taco Time's super expensive.
It depends. I know my husband went there once with a buddy. They literally each got like a couple burritos and a drink. Somehow it was $50.
Really?
That's what his friend
Holy
said.
cow.
I'm like, how is that even real? I don't believe it. I think his friend was lying, trying to sound cool, like he could afford $50 for 2 tacos.
Cabrillo, can you pass a napkin, please?
But I mean, maybe they got like huge burritos or like $10 a piece.
Yeah.
I don't know. But sounds crazy to me. And Taco Time's not that good.
What's that place in Arizona that we like to eat? That Mexican place. It was down the road
Ponchos?
from Amy's.
Carolinas?
Ponchos?
No. We used to go there sometimes.
Baja
We get the
Fresh?
huge burritos. It's like, so it's just, if you exit West Park
Taco Bell?
neighborhood, you would turn right and you would go down. And it's like in
Oh,
that little.
Filiberto's.
Yes, Filiberto's.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, that
If you
place
have
was
never
so
heard of
good.
Filiberto's, oh my gosh, it's
They're
so
really good.
Every Tuesday they have like, I think it's like $1 or $2 burrito that you can get. And they're really freaking good. It's a bean and cheese burrito, and then you can go put like.
We literally went there like every day.
Oh, I love Filiberto's.
We would eat there a lot.
I don't know.
It's a taco.
My feet are sleeping.
I know, but my
I
foot
need
has
to wake them
fallen
up.
asleep.
I'm like, I need to adjust my body. My circulation, my legs already sucks because I'm pregnant. So
Are these the
sometimes,
same?
yeah, I think there's like 3 of the chicken soft tacos. These are really yummy mini shakes. Honestly, like,
Yeah, they're pretty good.
They're
And
way
they don't
better.
they don't taste fake.
well, Del Taco makes their food fresh, so maybe they're not. I don't know.
There's like, I got.
But there's like actual strawberries in it. I hate McDonald's milkshakes.
That's
I hate
what I was
them.
gonna
They're
say.
disgusting.
I thought that.
They
So
make
I've
me wanna
never
throw
had
up.
a milkshake or a smoothie at McDonald's. I don't think. I got one the other day, and it tasted like syrup.
Yeah, they're grody.
I was like,
I wish they like would label this, like what one this is.
yourmom.com.
Oh my gosh, it feels like somebody didn't put stuff in it. I didn't want to eat just the tortilla. I think this is like the chipotle. Who wants to talk about bullies? Like,
I'm just joking.
who's ever been picked on? Raise your hand.
Me.
Who's ever wanted to die? Raise your hand.
Well, she raised her really high.
She still wants to, apparently.
Only sometimes.
I'm just saying. But seriously. I remember, I think the worst I've ever been picked on was 7th grade. And it was by this fat girl who had no reason to pick on me. No, I'm just kidding. Somebody started a rumor and said that I said something about her that I didn't. And instead of asking me about it, she just wanted to like, I don't know, she just picked on me on the bus all the time and then wanted to fight me. And luckily she didn't fight me because I probably would have lost because I was like with string bean and she was just like thicker, like she wasn't fat, but she was
skinny.
not skinny. But I remember I'd come home from school every day and like hide in my room and cry and wish that I was dead. And then my mom came in one day and asked what was wrong and I didn't want to tell her. But then I did, and then the problem got solved because she went up to the school and had a problem. And probably good, because otherwise I would have probably gotten beat up or died. Or both.
Same. I think the worst. It wasn't like by one person though, but my worst like experience with bullies and stuff was California. Excuse me.
You just burped on your food and then ate it. It's so gross. You should try this one because it's really yummy. I don't know. I can't. It's a green sauce that's on it, and it's really good.
Mmm. That's one that you asked us about if we want a green sauce.
Yeah. I'm gonna try the chile. Oh wait, what is this? Bean and chili, or chili and beans and cheese and something?
It was a bean and cheese cup, I believe.
Oh, with sauce on it.
Yeah, it's not.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's not the taco. That's Heartburn.
I'm getting full. And I didn't.
What's the white sauce that they put on their tacos? Because it's good.
I don't know. That's what it's like. Almost like a mayo, but like
Better.
not a mayo.
It's like
It's like mayonnaise from heaven.
Mm-hmm.
It's manna.
Man.
Every time I think of manna, I think of like a banana bread, but like a really soft, like squishy. Like, okay, James and the Giant Peach, how he pulls the peach out and it looks like squishy and stuff. I imagine manna like that, but like banana tasting.
See, I always imagine manna. So, like, on 17 Miracles, if you haven't seen it, it's really good. It's about the Willie. I almost said Willie Nelson.
The Willie.
What's his name?
With no legs?
No.
Willie.
The Willie Handcart Company, whatever. But I can't remember, like, his full name. Excuse me. And, like, it's about his handcart company, and... Crap, I forgot what I was going to say of Alzheimer's. Never mind. What was he talking about?
17 Miracles.
We're talking about manna.
Oh, yeah. And then there's a part where there's, like... this mom, and she, like, is really just feeling low and doesn't want to go on, and she quits. But then God provides them with this freaking thing that looks like a full-on pie. And that
Wait, are
is
you
what
talking
I
about
picture
where, like, the
manna being.
Daughter stayed behind, and
Yeah.
then the other one left, and then she looked over, and it was like, and
But
she
it,
was like,
it looked like a full-on apple pie. I wanted it.
yeah.
I'm like, that looks good.
I wish Jesus would do that for me when I'm at school and I'm
He did it for us
hungry.
when we were on track.
Well, pretty sure you're not starving at school.
Yeah. Yeah, the
Dude.
cafeteria.
Recently, they haven't been feeding us as much.
Ew. I just, like, jumped off.
Excuse me. I get so hungry at school.
You
Like-
should probably fart more at school.
No.
So you're not doing it so much here.
It's true. If you've ever faced the problem.
The face problem.
Oh,
was
Adrian
his
doesn't
farts.
watch these videos.
I know, like, April's gas problems. I know why. Because
She's gonna get even worse,
it's the medication she takes.
bro. Which is about to get worse.
Okay, good, because I feel like I thought it was just me and my body was being retarded or
It is.
something.
It could be both. No. But that medicine, like, those antibiotics can, like, give you an upset stomach in that way and make you, like,
Have
bloated and
laugh.
feel gassy.
Okay, so
Because-
I'm not retarded.
Yes, you
It's
are.
fine.
But I don't remember, like, burping as much as you do, but I remember, like, always having to fart whenever I was taking it. I was on a date. You remember Jason Smith?
Yeah.
I was on a date, and it was our first date ever, and I had to, but, like, I didn't think that I was going to because I'm pretty good at controlling myself.
Looking to see.
Well, we were walking by this, like, lake thing, skipping rocks and stuff, and I went to grab a rock.
Oh my god.
Luckily, he was not standing right next to me. He was, like, kind of, like, down, getting rocks somewhere else, and I just acted like nothing happened.
Yeah, I've done
I was
that.
like, I hate my life.
Okay, so a Chipotle one.
That's a big one.
I know. This one was like big. This one's like skinnier than your mom.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. This food's really good. I'm really full though. My baby's attacking me on the inside.
Yeah.
Why is that? Is that you? Oh my goodness.
You're pointing the blow at her.
So, like, lately I've had, like, really bad heartburn. I'll kill you. I will kill you in your sleep if you freaking fart on me. Gabriel, stop. You nasty. I'm showing this video to your boyfriend.
Ellie, I'm not really.
And his mom.
I'm just doing aerobics.
In a mukbang?
Guys, mukbang with yoga. Bro, that should be a thing.
It shouldn't. It shouldn't be a thing. Ever.
I was hiding something.
I hope both her legs break.
That's rude. I would be so sad because dance is literally my life and I would cry.
My
gosh,
gosh, these people are nuts.
The food is contaminated.
I think it's been contaminated. With you guys farting and burping all night.
I do not.
I might die tonight because I've inhaled too much of those gases.
I do not fart.
I have not farted in the video. Excuse me.
Anyways, back to the food. My favorite thing, well, I don't know if I already said something was my favorite. If I did, I'm lying about everything. But one of my favorite things.
What is this and why is it
taco is their grilled chicken soft tacos. They're simple and they're so
Have you already
good.
had your soft taco? Because we got 3.
I think so. That's what
That's like the original taco. I didn't know if you wanted any of it.
Oh, I
So
can
just
try
you can
it.
tear that off if you want.
I'll just eat
But my
it.
mouth isn't gross because I brush my teeth regularly and I don't burp every day. There might be food on the back of your teeth from when you burp and it shoots out like Shrek.
Ew.
Gabrielle's burps are legit like Shrek. Things fly out. She actually is an artist. She paints canvases with her burps. Did you know there was an actual artist?
The only
that
thing
would
is,
throw
like,
up and
I literally don't try to.
I know.
And then
Help.
some. Oh my gosh, there's a movie with Adam Sandler and he like burps and farts at the same time and he was like, oh my gosh, blah, 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 and he called it some weird
What
thing.
movie?
I can't remember.
Grown ups, I think.
And he called it something. And then one day it happened to me and I got so excited.
Well, I'm trying to think. It was like a burp, hiccup, and a fart or something all at the same.
My hiccups are the worst and they hurt.
I have like hiccuped and swallowed at the same time, and it's the weirdest feeling.
It's like,
It almost is like, my goodness, I'm full.
Me
Same.
too.
You better finish your food, Flappy Bird.
Because we have to eat that.
You have to eat that and that.
No.
And
No,
whatever the
no,
crap
no,
this
I'm
is.
not.
What is this?
Oh.
Excuse me.
That's your chicken.
It's not soft.
Oh, no, it's a regular crunch.
After this, we're gonna watch Dumb and Dumber.
I
Oh,
tried.
yeah. Dumb and Dumber. Neither of them have seen it. The original one. The second one is disgusting and,
Does this mean I don't have to go to
Idiot.
school? Just kidding.
I mean, like,
I'm gonna eat this one last taco
I
and then
want
I'm
to.
done.
Like, so this is the. Nobody ever told me a mukbang you wanted to, like, go lay down and die for a little bit afterwards. I'm so full. And at first, it didn't even look like that much food.
Oh no.
And Capril was all disappointed, like, it's not enough food. And then she's over there dying on the floor right now.
Well, I think I ate too much cheese and milk. So I literally.
Oh
ate
yeah,
one.
because you're
This one
lactose.
is really smelling delicious.
Yeah, so I'm literally dying over here. Like my insides are eating through my body.
Mmm.
That's what it feels
This
like.
one
It's
is
the
good.
worst feeling in the world.
Oh, you got the queso?
Mmm. Either that or the chipotle.
Oh, I thought I had it too. I don't know. Because it didn't taste like cheese.
Okay, for those of you who like Chipotle, you can get off this channel.
Mm.
I only like their chips.
You can get out of my video if you don't like chipotle.
I don't. They like the first time I ever had it, they were just it was just kind of grody. And
I love chipotle. Heartbeats. Heartbeats.
I only like their chips.
Chipotle is really good. So, know who I enjoy watching do mukbangs?
Mm.
And I think it's because she really enjoys the food.
I like watching them do it in their car for some reason.
And she's honest about the food. And she doesn't care that she's eating a crap ton of food. Trisha. I like watching her mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us randomly talking about stupid stuff and eating a bunch of food and being fat.
The door's gonna fly off. Boom.
Don't forget to subscribe. The button is right there. There. Wait.
It's somewhere.
My camera's too far away. Man. Hit the belly thingy too. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired and full. I like face plant into my taco.
The belly thingy.
The bell.
Oh. Like the belly thingy. What the heck is the belly thingy?
Capril will come say bye in a minute.
After she's done
Right.
giving birth.
Right now.
So I killed off Aaliyah and ate her Doge.
But my Felicia's